The North Korean dictator is believed to own assets worth around 775 billion rupees. Looking at his lifestyle. Once again we welcome you viewers to Salarzic TV's videos. There are very few people in the world who possess immense power and whose style of governance is extremely ruthless. At the top of this list stands the North Korean dictator Kim Jong-un. Today, we will tell you how Kim Jong-un spends his billions of dollars. Kim Jong-un is often seen traveling in luxury cars, and these are no ordinary vehicles. At the top of the list are the Mercedes-Benz Maybach S62 and the Maybach S600 Pullman Guard. The price of each car ranges from 75 million rupees to 250 million rupees. Kim Jong-un is not someone to be taken lightly. In 2013, he had his own uncle executed. In addition to this, it is widely believed that Kim ordered the assassination of his half-brother in Malaysia, as he was becoming a threat to Kim's rule. That same year, according to the North Korean government, the United States and South Korea jointly planned a biochemical attack on Kim Jong-un. After this incident, Kim further tightened his security. Kim's security includes highly trained martial arts experts who jog alongside his vehicle. Whenever Kim Jong-un's car slows down, these martial artists appear seemingly out of nowhere and begin running around the car to protect him. Whenever Kim Jong-un travels by air, two identical aircraft fly together so that no one can know which plane he is actually in. Alongside this, 90,000 soldiers are personally assigned to protect Kim Jong-un 24 hours a day. You can imagine how much money is spent just on his security alone. The United States has imposed a ban on the import of luxury items into North Korea. Despite this, Kim Jong-un owns a luxury yacht. The 95 yacht, built in the United Kingdom, costs at least $7 million, which is approximately 1 billion rupees. This magnificent yacht was seen in a North Korean state media photograph, where Kim Jong-un was seen disembarking from it with his generals. And just like many wealthy individuals, Kim Jong-un is also addicted to alcohol, but he surpasses them all. Surprisingly, his favorite drinks are whiskey and cognac, which he imports from all over the world purely for his personal enjoyment. It is said that Kim Jong-un can drink 2 bottles of alcohol in a single sitting. According to an Amnesty report, Kim spends nearly $30 million per year on alcohol alone. Kim Jong-un's excessive drinking habit is extremely dangerous, especially for the leader of a nuclear-armed country. There is no limit to a life of luxury. Kim Jong-un owns a private party island, where he has a 200-foot pool boat, a $7 million yacht, water slides, theme parks, and even a full-sized football pitch. Activities take place on this island that an ordinary person cannot even imagine. According to a report by The Sun, this entire island is a 7-star island, where only 50 people are present, solely appointed to serve Kim Jong-un. Kim Jong-un also owns a private lavish in Illinois A-62M aircraft, which is no less than a 7-star hotel. This is the same plane Kim uses to travel around the world. He is often seen traveling in this aircraft and holding meetings with his generals. Additionally, Kim also owns an Illinois A-76 aircraft, which is used exclusively to transport his private Mercedes vehicles so that his cars are available wherever he visits. In 2019, a mysterious train arrived at a station in Beijing. It was later revealed that Kim Jong-un had arrived in China aboard this train for a private meeting with Chinese officials. The train consists of 21 green-colored coaches. Its entire body is bulletproof, and all windows are tinted so no one can see inside, and even if they could, bullets would have no effect.